Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MSI installer for your Python application. For this example, we start by converting a simple Hello World Python script to exe using the AutoPy to exe converter. When a Python script is converted into an exe, all the necessary Python dependencies and DLLs are added, either in one big exe file or alongside the executable. In this example, we choose to leave all the Python files uncompressed. This doesn't affect our advanced installer project. Initiate the convert procedure. Once done, create a simple installer project. Once the project is opened, navigate to Files and Folder page. There, you will be able to choose where to install your files. In our case, we want to add all the files to Program Files My Python application. Browse to the location where the Python application was converted and add all the files. If you want to add a shortcut to your executable, in our case helloworld.exe, select your executable and right-click on it. Then select New Shortcut to File. On the new window, you can configure your shortcut name, icon, and so on. Once all your files and shortcuts are created, you can go ahead and build your MSI. That's it. In a few simple clicks, you have your Python application ready for deployment. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel and also the Advanced Installer blog.